Hello everyone! Welcome to Brightening Star Academy, a sphere of knowledge and skills, where knowledge meets inspiration. In this video, I'll go over some important Java questions that are commonly asked during Viva exams. We will cover some topics like variables, loops, multi-threading, inheritance, polymorphism, exception handling, and many more. Whether you are an engineering student or just diving into the world of Java programming, this video is here to help you prepare effectively and confidently for your Viva exam. So, let's get started. What is Java? Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language developed by Sun Microsystems, now owned by Oracle. It was earlier known as Oak. What are the features of Java? Java is platform independent, portable, object-oriented, dynamic, extensible, robust, and secure language. Moving on, what are Java buzzwords? First, it is simple, that is easy to learn and adopt to. Second, it is secure. Third, it is portable, that is Java program can run on any device. Fourth, it is object-oriented. Fifth, it is robust, that is reliable, stable, bug-free, fault-tolerant, and resistant to errors. Sixth, it is multi-threaded, that is it allows to do many things simultaneously. Seventh, it is architecture neutral, that is the program written once can run anywhere and anytime. Eighth, it is interpreted. Ninth, it is high performance. 10th, it is distributed, that is Java is designed for distributed environment of internet. 11th, it is dynamic, that is, it can change and small pieces of bytecode may be dynamically updated on running system. Is Java platform independent? Yes, it is. What are variables in Java? Variables are used to store data values that can be referenced and manipulated throughout the program. A variable has a specific data type, that is, it can be integer, float, char, double, and it can hold a value, that is, for example, int a equal to 5. So int over here is a variable that stores the value 5. What are the primitive data types in Java? There are 8 data types in Java. They are byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean, and char. Moving on, what is JVM? JVM is Java Virtual Machine. It is an engine that provides runtime environment to execute Java bytecode and makes Java platform independent. Who developed Java? A scientist named James Gosling developed Java. Is Java case sensitive? Yes, it is. In which package is system class defined in? It is defined in java.lang package. Which stream is used for input? A stream called system.in is used for inputting the values. And also for output we use system.out. What is the extension used for Java files? .java. What should not be used for a variable name? We do not use reserved words called keywords when we write variable name. What is the use of JDK? It is a component used in Java to debug, compile, and execute the Java program. Classes and objects in Java. Class is a template for multiple objects with similar feature. It is a collection of methods, variables, etc. Whereas objects are instances of a class. Here is the example provided for classes and objects. As you can see, phones are classes, whereas Android or iPhone come under objects of the class phone. What are the looping statements in Java? There are 3 looping statements: for, while, and do while. Why do we use loops? We use it for repetition purpose. What is the variable declared inside the method known as? It is known as local variable. What does JRE, JVM, and JDK stand for? JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. And JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Is JVM written in C language? Yes, it is. Moving forward, list the 3 errors in Java language: logical error, runtime error, and syntax error. What is this known as? Square brackets. It is known as subscript operator. What are the access modifiers in Java? There are 4 access modifiers in Java. First is public, that is, it is accessible for any class. Second is private, that is, it is accessible only within the same class. Third, it is protected, accessible within the same package or subclasses even. And last is default. accessible only within the same package. What are the conditional statements in Java? If else, switch case, break and continue are the conditional statements used to give the conditions in Java. What is OOPS? OOPS is nothing but object-oriented programming. It is a programming concept that works on the principles of abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. It allows users to create objects they want and create methods to handle those objects. What are constructors? A constructor is a special method used to initialize objects. In Java, encapsulation is the concept of hiding the internal details of a class and only exposing what is necessary to the outside world. Just like the medicine inside the capsule is hidden and protected by the outer shell, in encapsulation, the data of a class is hidden from the other classes. What is polymorphism? The ability to take many forms. Example, method overloading or method overriding is called as polymorphism. Think of a woman who performs different tasks in different situations. For example, at home she might be cooking. At work she could be working on a computer. At the same time, she might also be taking care of her children. Even though she is performing different tasks, it's still the same person doing all of these tasks, but her behavior changes based on the situation or context. This is similar to polymorphism in Java, where one entity, a method or object, can take many forms. What is inheritance? Inheritance allows a class to inherit properties and methods from another class. You can think of how children inherit traits from their parents. For example, a child may inherit physical traits like eye color, hair color, and height from their parents. Similarly, children may also inherit behavioral traits or abilities such as ability to sing or run fast from their parents. What is method overloading and method overriding in Java? Method overloading is defining multiple methods with the same name but different parameters within the same class. Method overriding is redefining a method in the subclass with the same signature as in the superclass. What is the role of super keyword in Java? The super keyword is used to refer to the immediate parent class. It is used to call parent class constructors and methods. What is an exception in Java? How is it handled? An exception is a normal event that disrupts the normal flow of the program. It is handled using try-catch blocks. What are the types of exceptions in Java? There are two types of exceptions in Java. First is checked exceptions and second is unchecked exceptions. What is a package? It is a collection of classes stored in a folder. As you can see in the picture, it is a collection of folders. What is an interface? It is a class with all abstract methods. What is the difference between exception and error? Exception refers to mild errors in the program, that is, small errors in the program, while errors are serious defects in the program that must be handled. Here is a logo of exception and error, illustrating my point. Moving on, what is multi-threading in Java? Multi-threading is a concept in Java and other programming languages where multiple threads are executed concurrently, that is, simultaneously. A thread is the smallest unit of process that can be executed independently. Imagine you are in a restaurant kitchen. There are many tasks happening at the same time. A chef is cooking the main course, a waiter is setting the table, another chef is preparing the dessert, someone else is washing the dishes. Even though all these tasks are happening simultaneously, the kitchen works efficiently because each person is focusing on a single task and they all can work independently. This is multitasking in real life. Now, how does this relate to multi-threading in Java? Threads in Java are like the individual workers in the kitchen. Each thread performs a special task in your program, like the chef's cooking, the waiter's serving, etc. Threads work concurrently, meaning they can run at the same time without one task waiting for another. So this is about multi-threading in Java. Java exception handling is managed using which 5 keywords? So the answer is 5 keywords are there. They are try, catch, throw, throws, and finally. What is the collection framework in Java? The collections framework is a unified architecture for storing and manipulating a group of objects. It includes interfaces like list, set, map, and classes like ArrayList, HashSet, HashMap. Java collections framework is illustrated using the flowchart given below. Now friends, let me wind up the video with the last topic of the day. What is list, set, and map in Java? List is an ordered collection that allows duplicates, for example, array list. Set is a collection that does not allow duplicates, example, hash set. Map is a collection of key value pairs where keys are unique, example, hash map. Thank you so much, friends, for listening attentively.